the heart of Nigeria's capital, Abuja, where history and modernity intertwine, stands an iconic symbol of ambition, unity, and African pride. Built by Julius Berger Nigeria PLC in record time, this architectural marvel was completed in 1990, just in time to host one of Africa's most significant gatherings, the 1991 Organization of African Unity, OAU, Heads of Government meeting. Unfortunately, due to poor maintenance, it became dilapidated. But last year, 2024, after an ECOWAS meeting, President Bola Tinubu, who was disappointed at the state of the facility, told the FCT Minister, Mr. Nyesom Wike, to get to work and fix it. Today, the International Conference Centre has been rehabilitated, upgraded, and commissioned by President Bola Tinubu, of which it was also renamed after him.
Nyesom Wike, the Federal Minister of Federal Capital Territory, and the Minister of State, and all members of this team, from architects, supervisors, all who are involved in the transformation of this edifice. I'm greatly honored and happy to be here to reopen this International Conference Centre as part of our determined effort to change the way we do things, to reflect us as people of quality, people of character, people of determination, people of great spirit. That's what we are. And I'm glad, Nyesom Wike, you are reflecting that. Don't pay attention to the busybody and the bystanders. Whatever they say, continue with your good work. You are a transformational leader. You have the foresight, the vision, and determination to succeed. Thank you very, very much. When I attended the conference of ECOWAS Parliament here, it was a very dirty, disorganized, inhabitable environment. Aside from the side talk with the Senate President, I turned to Wike. I said, but this conference center is not reflecting who we are. Have we sunk this low? He said, no. But bear with us. We will do whatever we can do to transform the place. We won't come back to find it in a dilapidated, uninhabitable situation that it is. And today I am very, very happy. Thank to the contractor. Thank you very much. Today, I say once again to all of you, Baraka de Salam. And you must obey what the landlord says. You want to use this place? You got to pay for it.
Minister of the FCT to come forward and deliver his welcome address.
Your Excellency, Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and Mr. President, let me thank you once again for giving us the opportunity. We know that time is not on your side, but it's important for the public to understand and to know why today this is called Bola Tinubu International Conference. This conference was built in 1991 under the state government. Since that time, nothing has happened to this international conference. Last year, sometime July, August, you came here to inaugurate the ECOWAS Parliament. It was an embarrassment for a country to have this as an international conference then. And you said, how can we have this as an international conference? That showed leadership. And you said, look, next time you want to come here, you want to see a different international conference. Within 8 months, Mr. President, this is what we have. And I feel that without your leadership, it wouldn't have been possible. You are not the only president who have come here. So many presidents have come here. Nobody has said, this is not what Nigeria needs. But because of your leadership, you gave a marching order. This is not the quality to show that Nigeria is a giant of Africa. Today, this international Bola Tinubu International Conference can match any other international conference. But what I want to appeal, Mr. President, because I know pressure will come. How do we sustain this? I want to let everybody know. Whether you're a ministry, whether you're an agency, you want to use this, you have to pay something. You have to pay. That's the only way it can be sustained. Nothing like my brother, my sister is going to have a wedding. If you want to use a place like this, such a beautiful place, then you must do something. This was being handled before a politician. A politician, they gave it to a politician, and he killed the place. And when we tried to do what, the politician had to go to court to stop us from carrying out this infrastructure of century. So, if you are not the kind of person, we would have not done this work. Pressure came left, right, and center. He said, go ahead and rehabilitate that place. And we thank God for showing that leadership. And that's what we have always said. Our problem is leadership. When you have the right leadership, things will get done. And this is what you have shown today. Mr. President, I thank you. And in doing that, because National Assembly has also supported us, I told you as we are inspecting the project, at the back we have 2 halls. We have to remember those who have also supported FCT. National Assembly is one such arm of government. So we have named one hall, Julius Berger Hall. We have named Gospel Ababi Hall. And your vice president, we have named one of these halls to your vice president. And then the CJN, we have also named one of the halls against the name of the CJN. I've let the 3 arms of government work together. So I just said that since it is the property under you and the building is under you, let these people have small names in those of, but let them know that it is under Bola Tinubu International Conference. Thank you. Mr. President, I hereby invite you to talk to us.
It wasn't just about a building, it was about positioning Abuja as a true continental capital in 1991. From that moment, the city rose to become the headquarters of ECOWAS, the Economic Community of West African States, by playing a crucial role. Till date, the Abuja International Conference Centre remains a beacon of diplomacy and enterprise. With separate exhibition and convention levels, it can accommodate up to 9,000 people, from grand international summits to elegant banquets for thousands. The banquets can host about 4,000 and 4,900 on the 2 levels respectively. It also features a tower with a rotating observatory restaurant and a bar. Facilities includes tower with rotating observatory restaurant and bar, offering unique dining and entertainment options with city views that never stop evolving. The International Conference Centre was built to high international standards, and it is a key landmark in the nation's capital. This is not just a venue, it is a landmark of vision, of purpose, and of Nigeria's place on the world stage. What do you think about this development? How do you see the future of these infrastructure? Please drop your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.